Fliki is offering a 40% discount as a part of its holiday sales, and in this video we will see how to get this discount, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. This is a limited time offer available until 5 January 2025, and in order to get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and you will be taken to the Fliki landing page. Click on login and use your Gmail ID to log in into your account. After you log in, you will see this page where you can see all the features of Fliki. If you want to know more about them, then you can check my previous videos on Fliki. I will link them in the description. To get the discount, click on upgrade and you will see the pricing plans. On the top, you will find this message about the holiday sale. Copy the coupon code provided over here and you can find it in the description as well. Here, you can see that monthly is selected, but the 40% discount is only applicable for the yearly plan, so make sure you select yearly. If you don't want to buy a yearly plan, I will tell you how to get a discount on the monthly plan later in the video. For now, select yearly and select any plan that you want. Click on subscribe now and you will be taken to the Stripe checkout page. Wait for this page to load completely, and on the left you can find the option to add the promotion code. Click on it and paste the code that we just copied. Click apply and you can see that we have received a 40% discount on the total price. Now let's see how to get a small discount on the monthly plans, and this method will work even after 5 January. I will go back and click on upgrade. Keeping monthly selected, I will select one of the plans. On the checkout page, enter the coupon code FLIKIAI10, click apply and you can see that we have received a 10% discount on the monthly plans. After getting the discount, you can select your payment method on the right and complete the purchase. So, this was how you can get a 40% discount on the Fliki yearly plans. Now, if you want to watch a detailed tutorial on how to use Fliki's features, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.